The multi-purpose tool that comes with the Husqvarna Viking Brilliance 75Q can be used for multiple purposes. So we have actually done videos on these items. So we'll actually just go ahead and link towards the end here where those videos are, but just a highlight. So first off, this tool has kind of a thin side and a thicker side, and it also has a hole in it. So the thick and thin side is great when you're working with or trying to get up and over really thick seams. Now we've probably all been to a point where we're having a foot and it's just trying to go up the mountain and it's having trouble. Well, this comes in as a leveler and it makes it so your foot just glides across, keeping nice even stitches and doesn't give you any skipped stitches. So, and depending on how thick things are, you can actually use the thinner side or the thicker side. The picture here, we have a little button. We have a stitch that sews on buttons, which is awesome. But have you ever wanted to have that spacer so you can actually button something to it? Well, this tool is designed to be the spacer. Again, a thinner spacer or a thicker spacer. You actually set the button on the multi-purpose tool, then do the stitch, and when you slide it out, it leaves that little gap of thread just enough for the item to button to it. So if you stitch it straight on, you can see, I can't even get this underneath because I didn't use it for this technique, but that is designed for things that need to button. Now, what about that hole here? Now, as you notice, that hole is actually not a round hole at all, but a hole that is flat on the top and more D-shaped, D as in dog, on its side. So that means you drop a needle in there and then it will keep the flat side to the back, and you can come right over here to the machine, put it up, and then tighten it or loosen it and then catch it. So it is a needle inserter tool. So a lot of people like this. I even have people with other brands of sewing machines who will buy this tool because it is so nice and compact and does so many different things without needing a lot of other feet. So kind of an all-in-one tool. So I do have to say that it is worth always having it close by because you never know when you're going to need it. I hope you'll check out all of our free video tutorials. We got a link to the complete playlist in the description below, but we'll put the link to these two videos right here at the end.